So recently there was a global security summit. You know, back in February, there were some hackers sat down and they were focused on buildings, right? So they were using industrial control software platforms and showed that they, showed a demonstration of getting into a building in about 25 seconds and being able to start manipulating the control of the building. And some of the feedback coming back is that, a lot of the people that are installing these systems or even developing these systems really that hasn't been on the forefront of their mind, and that they don't really have expertise in industrial security or in cyber threats and dealing with cyber threats. So it's really becoming a more important part of our industry is these security questions going forward. So I think that's part of being a robust system, is having security built into these systems. So, of course, why is that important? I mean, you need to be able to access your systems, right? I mean, we were just saying we want to be able to leverage all this technology. At the same time, buildings are increasingly a visible target to these cyber threats. So, and there's growing awareness in the hacking communities that going after a building is of interest to them. So, requirements in this case, rather than requirements for a system, I look at this towards facility management, as well as the manufacturers and the installers, is to assess their risk, leverage your IT infrastructure. Don't count on those building systems alone to protect you from everything. If you've got IT infrastructure in place, there's security built into that, or you've got VPN connections, you've got security put in place by your IT groups. Leverage that rather than trying to go it alone, because security is not your core competency. New threats happen every day that we all can't stay up on top of or keep on top of, and your IT group is really the team that that's their role. That's what they do every day, is keep an eye on those things and make sure that things are secure. So really leverage those capabilities as you're looking at balancing your accessibility and security risks. So that's really what I had today for everybody. I just to reiterate, what can an intelligent building platform do for you? And it comes down to improving the comfort for your occupants, providing a safe environment, enhancing the sustainability of your facilities, all under the umbrella of reducing costs throughout the life of the building. And that means providing the people that need to make decisions actionable information or the ability to program intelligent control.